Jesse, how are you
Watch yourself.
Bombard! A peer healer catch people. Watch out. Man, if they're sitting there all year, I ain't know you that, man.
Wow, Sinatra.
Yes, so welcome to Neutral Vibes again. We're on another adventure, but today we're there with Chessie. Tarpan we are going to look today.
Yeah.
Tarpan and Snook, you see me? So just stay tuned for the adventure here. It's a nice place with the all the way in a St. Elizabeth bush, you see me? So want to stay tuned and enjoy the vlog here. Delhi, where you going?
Yes, I.
Big up no man.
Yeah.
Big up. Yeah man, nice, green, lovely place, you know. As you know, I'm there in a place again. Wife never 200, so she not able to make it with me today. Yeah man, but we have to do the right thing. Catch some fish, the bait fish first, then we go up on the sea and do the right thing and catch some tarpan and snook. Big fish them there. I want to stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. You see me? Jamaica walk by, big up yourself. What do you send across a ton load of people? I really appreciate it. Thanks much, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up again. Yo, look what Chessie just catch. Big tilapia, you see me? But them are bait fish still, you see me? You see how big? But a bait fish nonetheless. So this is the bait bucket. Yeah, so we are going left from the side here right now. We get couple bait fish. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Yeah, man. So them are the bait fish them. Ton load of them, you know. Chessie and Delhi and myself, we catch bait fish, you know. Yeah, man. So we are left from here so now, and we are going to the next location. Yeah, so we're there the stop now. This is where we are going to actually try catch some tarpan. No, we're not try. We are going to catch some tarpan and we are going to catch some snook. So we're the right at Black River right here, so nice sea water. Chessie and Delhi the right here, so go and rig up the line and sitting. Yeah man, nice little location. Them are one of the ship them where they send go deep sea every now and again. Chessie, how long you say you do this?
Yeah?
How long you say you do this?
Over 30 years.
Over 30 years. Delhi, how long you do on this?
Long time, man. Same way, man. 25, 30 years, same way. Yeah, man, day night, man.
So what are your best experience in a fishing? The best and the worst, you know?
Yeah, man. The best time, I want to catch a gigantic fish, so.
But how much fun? 50 pound?
More than that, man. 70, 75.
Whoa, tarpan.
Yeah.
Whoa, tarpan just full of bone. I just that alone, I don't rate about them, you know?
Yeah.
Nice fish still, you know.
It's not about catching the fish, it's about the sport.
Yeah,
The sport,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
Feel nice when you grab out something like that, man, you know?
Which is right.
Come in.
So man, them a rig up their line. Why delicate? Man catch a little snapper here, you know? Boom, but no man, we are using it as bait, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah man, bait fish, you know? We are try to go after some snook. So Delhi and Chessie they on it same way. Chessie broken ducks, Delhi broken ducks. But me I try to sit big over there, so you see me? Yeah man, so we go up on the boat here and sit. And basically I put a live bait on the hook. Yeah man, so this is my thing here. So the live bait them I will catch earlier, so I send this way out here, so I try hook a tarpan or a snook, one of them big fish there. Yeah man, Chessie, Delhi, them still there. And we're there at Black River. So them lift up the drone people, but here we are going. So we couldn't really stabilize it up in the air. So we have to take it down. Yeah man, but it's a nice little vibes, you know. But we can catch something big. So I just go and catch and watch same way, you know. Yeah man. See if one of them big boy they can come bite the bait. Yo my people, so we're there from there and we just get a nice little catch. I want to show you where I go on here so. So watch it. Them call them thing a moray eel. Moray eel, so one of the first little catch. Eh? Let me take it off there. Hold on. Hold on there, Chessie. Yo, so Chessie just called me. You look like sitting and go on there, so. I'm going to go up on the boat here. Chessie, how are you going there?
What you say?
Bombard! A pure eel that catch people. Watch out. Crazy thing. Sean Worcester. Chessie, them any name? People name them, eh?
Yeah, man.
You name them?
Yeah.
Yo, we have to go cook it up. I'm willing to try it, you know.
Apart from man,
Eh?
people love it right out if you want to sell it, you go right out there some people buy it.
Eh?
Because enough people don't know if you catch them.
So here, I want one of them for cook, you know.
Yeah man, this one a nice one, nice size.
Jesus. So what you have to do? Bottom out? So Chessie, just catch a moray eel. 2 of them. Hold on, one of them hook on for me line.
See, you see it?
Bombard! I'm not even not to see for me line.
Look on the teeth now.
Yo, my wife loves them sitting here. A good look here, Chessie. May I tell you? We're there from morning. No, not from morning, from evening. And the first catch we get. 2 eel we catch, you know? 2 eel. 2 eel, may I tell you. Watch him. Watch him. Original Kangri, you know? See the next one, yeah? Him dead?
Dead. See you want to come out and in there.
So, today's catch was basically a moray eel, you know? That was the best thing for us today. So, that location not going on with much things. So, we are going to another location right now. Very excited about this, you know? Because I really want to catch some nice big fish. To go home, go cook and eat. Because right now my wife not eat moray eel. So I have to try and get that other type of fish for her. So guys, I just left Black River. So we are going to White House now. Enjoy the journey. Yeah man, when we reach on the location, I'll show you all guys what's going on. So there the next location here, so outside the place dark, but we are gonna try a thing, you know? We're gonna try a thing. I see him live bait to put on them, Chessie, or what? See him live bait put on them, huh? Shrimps. Alright, good. Mad. Yeah, peeps, we're still up on the fishing. Yo, night can't catch you, you know? Yeah, so night fishing, you know. Nothing too tough, never go on in a day except for them eel there. But today I saw in the dark. Hope to catch something big, you know. Yeah man. Them amongst the professional, them are sitting night light, everything. Yeah, morning peeps, so we're there from yesterday. Still wake up again early morning about to 6 you know. We're not really getting a boost to catch, you know. Most of the eel we catch from last night. 4 eel we catch now, Chessie. Yeah man. So And most say eel and them sitting the way I catch. So with the under the bridge, we don't really have a successful catch. Nothing successful at all. But we are gonna try again. You understand? So this is the Black River. And we're under Black River Bridge right now. Yo, the bridge very well decorated with politics still. We have green and orange and everything, you know. Yeah, man. So, under here, so. We are trying to catch fish from last night, but nothing no go on to. I gotta rig up the line and go and dash again. Yo, and every day we come and see we gonna have good catch and sitting, you see me? Yeah, man. But we have to try to do the content. We don't want to get a nice content yesterday, but we don't really get it like that. So we're in a day 2, you see me? We try to catch fish all night, but never really work out for it. Yeah, man. So I go down at the seaside. So we have the fishing pot them right here, so. Yeah, man. And them big boat you go out to sea, you know. Yeah, man. Go out to sea for all 3 weeks, man. Them so when them boat you come back from for the sea, all 2 days, 3 days, them man you still a sell, you see me? Yo, the man them very persistent round me still, you see me? Man, they nah give up. Man, them say they nah left unless they get sitting big, you know? So we're gonna see it to the offer. Yeah, man. Gonna see it to the offer. Yeah, man, the sun just a come up over the horizon there. Fish them are not pick at all. So them are the rig. And we are use shrimp bait. Yeah, man. Every day a fishing day, but not every day a catching day at all. You can't discourage same way, you know? Yeah. Daily whole sitting. Whoa, let me see catch a deli.
Dog teeth snapper.
Oh, dog teeth snapper. Nice size in a deli.
Can go on.
Nice size, man, not bad. Alright, the first. First good size fish we catch for a morning. Yeah. You're a monster right there, so. Crocodile a biggie, man. Zoom in. Here it is. Whole heap of people that say they never see crocodile in a salt water yet. See it here? Majestic and pretty, you know? Yeah, man, Virgin, you just catch a fish. What kind of fish is that?
Drummer.
Oh, drummer. Okay, good size, you know, man. Nice, it's a patience game, you know, man. So, my Virgin, you're the biggest dive about the place.
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
So, you know, dive to... You can't drink rum and dive. Eh? You can't drink rum and dive.
Can't dive today.
Eh?
Can't dive today.
You see, you don't have to drink rum and drive, but you can drink rum and dive.
You're gonna water, wash out that. You're telling me a party. You're gonna water like a pool and wash out.
So how much years you dive for?
Long time.
Long time.
Oh, yeah, a fish.
Yo, I see one crocodile in the water. You don't fear them thing there?
Crocodile. You
if you do what you need to do.
Eh?
Crocodile see you not, if crocodile see you right now in Ghana.
No go some man.
I tell you.
So how me always has a story where crocodile attack people?
When crocodile attack people and mating season and mating time.
Oh.
July, August, September and mating.
So you can't dive during mating time?
And I run joke with them.
Them the time hungry kill you? Can't dive?
I'm pretty joke with them. And finding all the egg you can't play with them.
Mad. Yes, first one since the last one.
Man.
Cheers.
Cheers, my brother.
There's no tea enough for you drinking that morning. What kind of rum you drink?
I tea.
I tea this.
I tea.
Yo, what do you meet a bridge and he say I'm 87 and he must say I rum keep him going.
Yeah,
But if I drink rum that mash me up, you know.
no, why
That's why I stay from it, you know.
Oh, mash you up, man.
Make me sick, man.
Well, you probably are drinking too much.
Eh?
Probably you're having too much.
Yes, sir, just a little sip. A little sip can make you feel good.
Sip and next sip till you feel good.
Yeah, last time me drink, so till me knock out, vomit up.
Eh? Boy, a year is now, me no vomit.
No food.
Can't be a good thing.
No food, nice joke time. I can't do jump on belly.
Yo, so how him look so silver this morning when you catch him?
Yes, silver.
Nice, man. Dog teeth. What make them call them dog teeth?
And then some dog teeth.
Oh, okay.
Bite some blood. Dog teeth, bite out.
Yeah, man, so everybody have a good time. 1 and 2 pick a go on out there, no?
One and two pick one man.
Yeah, man, 1 and 2 pick a go on.
A man fish. I want to say we are full of people.
You can't give up, you know, man.
No.
Eh.
Still ask it. And him a tell me no. So like fishing like all the now man from me now big you. You see that short you there?
I have to throw away line, boy.
£17.
17?
£17. Snoop.
Boy, I'm going to see them there sitting there. They look like fairy tale, yeah, man.
I don't look like him there. I can't tell you.
I wonder if a different sea always are going to Chelsea. Because, boy, some picture I see you put up.
Right, that's what we did.
Right.
Alright, what we are going to do is once we come out, we do online and set it.
Eh.
Yeah, man.
Pay eel a bite from yesterday. A 4 eel catch yesterday, Chelsea? 4. You eat them? Eat. Yeah, have to ashes the first and.
Sometimes it's tricky depends on the type, sometimes rub in a stand.
Okay. Chelsea, I want that you catch. I want a dog mouth them, yeah?
Oh, mangrove duck.
Oh, mangrove snapper.
Yeah.
Why man bring rainforest come and St. Elizabeth? Let me hold him good. Hold on. Okay. What? After another dog? Nice snapper Chelsea just catch, you know? Where you going with that? Who you bad up? How you bad up? How you bad up? In a igloo, we say. Chessie, I go on good. Mighty force. Dash over here, sir, again, Chessie. Original angler. Mighty force. Yeah. Better day. Fish them a get hungry now, you know. This is another one. Right in a cooler I go to, you know. Right in the cooler. I think in here so the eel them the way we catch from last night. So all of them have some eel. Monstrous crocodile. Look on this monster. Yeah man, if they sitting there whole year, you know, I know you that, you know, man. Ugly monster, me I tell you, man. Nice, like a snapper, you know. Hey, them so light still, you know.
That's what matter to you, if you take the
Hey.
push in there.
What? Alright, alright.
God.
Yes,
I get
son.
about 3 dozen fish.
Alright, sir.
But I don't know, but if you say a fool, if you say me fool, I don't like.
I know that fish. They bought them that time there.
They want food.
Yeah, man, any little pan or canal or anything you're going on, man, you catch your fish.
Aye, fun. Yeah, because first time I was some fun. We go.
Because they lock you out, so you can't go in. I know him more, he get locked out too.
Big up, big up, big up.
How's the farm?
There's no fish.
No fish.
No fish like this.
That's it.
You don't try bottom line out there.
Someone got see last night.
Come on, maybe I whisper. I'm follow them. Patting the travel, follow them. I'm follow them.
Oh, you didn't have to go far, you could have go far.
We're going to blue.
We'll go to the farm food before we go. We all tell them about the boss. We'll go out with a land. See water.
When I found this thing about you, I always say, somebody tell me go out of the way. And wait, guy, not go on with trouble and go home. So, we kind of out of the way right now, because we're there and not go on. We now go grumble.
No,
We now grumble.
Careful catch where I pay, you see me? So, yeah.
We keep fishing, you can't go on. You walk all the way to back and go all the way past. Woi. I'm sure.
Pearly,
You wanna sit down but make your seat and you know.
Irish moss. This is Irish moss? Irish moss. Oh, so you just dry this?
No, so I don't hit that a seaweed that.
Hey, Chessie. Man, say a seaweed, this a killer.
Now you anything you can cook and season good can eat.
Eh?
Holy overbridge.
Eh.
This can't make juice, man.
What kind of juice? Anything can make juice. If you need dumpling and blend up it. Eh? Nah, that's nothing hard time now, man. Right now, me all have conch in the fridge. Eh? Oh, you cook it? You pressure it first?
No, man. It's BT, man.
That not good enough, man.
Oh, yeah, sir, man.
That not good enough. Still tough. Yo, the last time I 3 hours my pressure come for before me cook it, you know.
No, man.
Pan cold stove.
You turn in a rubber.
Nah, man, at the time it's nice and you see me?
A rubber, you turn that thing. You pressure cook that for 3 hours, rubber that. You cook and turn rubber.
Watch the youth out there now.
I know that. And when they over there, me see that, yeah, the crocodile come right up.
Look out for that little baby one there. You don't want more 3-year-old. That's it. The PFC side said most of them.
Crocodile, know them, man. When I did this, I saw a crocodile one dog go over there, so I lift him up and I chew him up and I catch him back, you know.
Benjamin catch him at done with him.
Yeah, man. Hold him and chew him up, flash him up in the ears and catch him back. And do so water with him.
See, man.
Every night I ride the sow and sleep, you know. They water this, you know. Every night I ride underneath the tree, they say they with me for about 3 hours, you know. And me have a light in the ears, so, you know. I watch him, you know. Yeah, moving. Yeah, man.
Drop asleep and then come show you up like a dog.
A dog marry you, man.
Cause them bark like dog, man.
Every night he sleep.
When they want to call the dog, he get dog sound.
Yeah, yeah, man.
But you say, the man dog and little tongue and him traffic transport coming. Man, if you get dog, I know I'm coming.
Yeah, man, me catch him on camera, man.
They can't swim in the water. If you catch one fish, if you got one fish, you won't have no bad.
You may bite it underwater though? Okay.
But you can't throw that. Because you want to tongue.
Okay. So best when you see them, you dive underwater them.
This morning. I've been looking at it
Eh?
this morning.
Eh?
And I was wondering if we can throw 2 tires beside it.
Yeah, man, you throw them 2 tires in now.
Yeah.
You gotta throw the tire or not, you gonna get mashed up.
Yeah, man.
Oh, and that's why I kept on moving off my bank here.
No man, you take out the sit out the sun, no man. You make it get hot.
Fire, man.
You know?
You know, drink for you on the early 6 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, man.
And knock out.
Drinking, man.
So, you know why me I warm up my own, man?
A little sip and thing and wash off the stuff.
I'm going to put feet by his nice sun.
Make it cool. Cool it up, cool it up, make it hot. Then I cool it up. It's catching up.
Timothy run up. Yum, 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 yum. Still, you know, so me go one yard. And me go to the yard. You have one big dog. And one come over. And really and truly, me really listen to the dog. Say. Not to laugh. See no, see no. Big dog, come in front. Move, move, move. Little mongrel. Right now, right now.
Imagine Grum, they tell him what's like.
You don't want to do them yet? You don't want to do them yet?
Sometimes when they move your car,
They talk to them but we can't understand their language.
No care how you have one big dog. You don't have a mongrel, you don't have a good watch dog.
Yeah, seaside but a chicken me and yam today.
That was big old heavy wheel bite, man.
Round stew chicken and yeah man, banana.
If I can't
Yeah, man. We're gonna have some breakfast and all still, you know.
Talk about lift the back out. No, we don't know about that.
Jesse, I used to fish them, man.
So, more I want to put you on the line here. You want to go on with that.
I'm another one I go work in a car, you don't in a show.
Yeah, pop your.
Yeah, sand it down?
No, I'm cutting it off, cutting the rope. So
Okay.
you put the next tire on.
Okay. So you do all of them work here yourself?
You know, see, me one on this boat, and me one got to do everything.
You need a second man, or a third and a fourth.
You need all enough people here. One man I do everything. And that's how they figure it's supposed to be.
Eh? Yeah.
They figure only one man got to be on boat to walk boat.
But you need a little assistance, man. This work now go ever done, you know, man.
Yeah, but I got done the work and stay, and I go into hell. And that's the problem. That's why me can't bother staying here.
Yeah. Where you from not originally? Guyana?
Honduras.
Honduras, okay.
Huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get some tire here, or not. She soon be on Tina bottom down there. Maybe that's the best spot for her gumbo class. Yeah, man. People think it's only one man got to walk a boat. You need enough people to walk
Enough
this boat.
people.
One man can't stay on one boat, walk one boat.
Everybody just want money, huh?
Yeah.
That's all. But they don't want to put in the work, just money everybody want.
It's not only just money. If you pay people good, people will walk with you good. If
Yeah.
you don't pay, people can't walk with you.
Right.
It's that simple. Pay what money will run everything. If you pay as the people work, you gotta get people to work.
Yeah.
If you not pay, people now work for you.
Right.
Simple. You gotta pay. That's how boat business run.
Mm-hmm.
You
So-
want people to work, you gotta pay.
How long you know this? How long have you been doing this for?
God in heaven. All my lifetime.
All your lifetime?
Yeah. I've been in this. My whole lifetime.
Roughly over 50 years.
Well, I'll say almost 50, nearly 40 odd.
Oh my.
Been in this. Try to leave it and can't leave it.
You can't leave. You can't leave the goose where lay the golden egg, you know. Huh?
Yeah, but sometimes it do lay the golden egg.
Uh-huh.
It just lay the egg and no gold.
Oh.
So that's the biggest problem too. When it laying the golden egg, you consider staying right in one spot because the egg is laying gold.
Mm-hmm.
But if it's not laying gold, then it can't stay. You got to move.
Right.
If you're on one job and you not make money, you have to leave a job and look at different job where you're making money.
Yeah.
Remember, you got responsibility, family, and things to take care of her. And you not get no money,
Right.
so you can't stay in that spot.
Right.
You have to move. And that's the problem with these boats.
Yes, Captain Chad, let me help you with this one again. Right, you know, the man them a get ready to go see. Man them gone there see if you go one month, you know. No internet, no TV, no connection whatsoever, you see me? Yeah man. You see the big boat here now I get ready. A ton load of fishing pots on it. Yeah man, so Dennis Jr. here come here now. Load of pot and sitting. Yeah man, as I say man, them are going to see if about a month or 2 months you know. Serious work this you know. Serious big driver. Or big capper you know. Nice, nice, nice. Just a head out fishing and a boy thing, you know. 1 million pot upon this here. Load up, you know.
Alright, now we're going to start. All the way out, all the way out.
Load up.
All the way out.
Good look, you know. Jamaica's food security.
All the way out. All the way out.
Yeah, Capo.
Laura man, Byron not take you go down. Byron Robert keep them tight going down.
Well, then gone out here now. Which part of the world the man them are going now? Man, them are got deep sea fishing, you know. Them man then do for help preserve Jamaican food security and all them things there. Yeah man. Hundreds of thousands of pounds of fish. Man, them basically gone, you know. Yeah, man. And next month or 2 months before we see them back. Yeah, man. So I go on over that side there now. See if we can catch something that make we smile. The vibes no better over here, sir. Jesus Christ. Oh, the water feel nice. Water feel nice, man. We basically come to the end of the entire fishing experience down at Black River today. What may I tell you? Yo, fishing really cut out for some people because I'm there. I don't really catch not much, you know. But it was a great experience. I want to thank everybody for really watch the video, yeah. You see me? And I hope you like, share and subscribe. I'm a big up chest to them and Delhi, you see me? We make this a possibility, man. Yeah, man. Good vibes, you know? Yeah, man. And part 2 soon. Yeah, man. So, I can show you we're going actually the entire catch, you know? Yeah, man. Janu, nice, nice, nice. Where they sit them there? The eel. I will get a couple eel here too. You see me? Yeah, man. So it was a good little catch, you know? Good little catch. Yeah, man. We not put down nothing, you know? it.